Bluehost Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the Bluehost Affiliate Program. If you're interested in web hosting and want to monetize your site, be sure to check the links in the description below for more details. Bluehost is one of the most well-known web hosting providers, offering reliable hosting solutions that range from shared hosting to VPS and dedicated plans. As an affiliate, Bluehost provides an excellent opportunity to earn commissions by recommending their hosting services. One of the standout features of the Bluehost affiliate program is its generous commission structure. Affiliates can earn up to $65 per sale, and the more sales you generate, the higher the potential earnings. This program is ideal for bloggers, content creators, and anyone in the web development or online business space. Bluehost is a trusted brand, and its reputation can help you convert visitors into paying customers with ease. Signing up for the program is straightforward, and the affiliate dashboard is user-friendly, providing you with all the tools you need to track your performance and earnings. You'll get access to a variety of promotional materials, including banners, links, and customizable landing page to help you effectively promote Bluehost to your audience. The program also provides real-time tracking so you can monitor clicks, sales, and conversions without hassle. What sets Bluehost apart is its reliable hosting services, which are backed by 24/7 customer support. This makes it easier to promote their services with confidence, knowing you're offering your audience a top-notch product. Additionally, Bluehost provides a 30-day money-back guarantee, which further boosts the appeal to potential customers. Bluehost's affiliate program is best suited for individuals with an audience interested in creating websites, blogging, or starting an online business. If you have a tech blog, digital marketing channel, or any platform focused on website creation, this is a great affiliate program to consider. In conclusion, Bluehost affiliate program offers high commissions, easy promotion, and the chance to partner with a leading hosting provider. If you're ready to start earning, sign up using the links in the description and begin promoting Bluehost today.